Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down a little bit until we find security and privacy. And let's begin with setting up our screen lock. It is the key of our and the heart of our security. So we have three modes. We have the PIN, password, pattern, and don't even look at the swipe because it doesn't provide any security level. So I'll show you the pattern. Simply click on that. Now we have those 9 dots on the screen and we need to connect at least 4 of them to create our pattern. Simply draw your pattern that you want. If you want to try again, click on retry. If you want to go forward, click on continue. Now we need to draw it again to confirm. And now our pattern has been successfully set. Let's click on done, but let's get back into the lock screen once more. And in here we can set the face recognition or the fingerprint. Let's begin with the fingerprint. I'll show you how to set it. Click on continue. And now the sensor is located on the power button. The power button is right in here, what I'm pointing at with my right finger. We need to click on register. And now we need to place our finger on the sensor and slowly move around it. But don't lift it up above, simply keep holding the sensor and perform a sliding move, just like me. I'm just moving around the sensor until it's fulfilled. Alright, 100%. It has been done. If you want, you can add another fingerprint by clicking add. I want to click on done. And now it should be fine. Okay, your fingerprint was recognized. Click on done. And now it works. Now let's try to unlock our device. Let's begin with the lock screen first. So I draw my pattern. The phone gets unlocked. Now let's try with the fingerprint. Boom. And now it also works. Alright. Now let's go straight into our settings once again. And we also have the face recognition. I forgot to show you that. Simply click on continue, click on register, and now all you need to do is to place your face inside of that frame. And then you need to follow the instruction on the screen until you get 100%. It is really easy, and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. Alright, now we can go back. Let's go now straight into the account security, and let's click on the Samsung account security. In my case, I have 20 recent account activities, but it was me logging in on other devices, so everything is fine. I have checked it, and now everything is set. We also have the two-step verification. You can set it also on your device, but first you need to log in into your Samsung account. Simply follow the instruction on the screen and everything will be fine. Next thing is the Google account security, also important. From time to time you can take a look, is there anything to do right in here. In my case, everything is fine. Now we can go back. Let's go back once again. Now let's click on the app security and let's click on the app protection. In my case it's turned off, so we can turn it on. Click on turn on. Alright, no threats found. So thanks to that we have turned on the app protection, the phone scans in search of potential threats between the apps. And in them, of course. Okay, now let's go into the no, my bad, not the apps. Yeah, the app security, but because we have also the Google Play protection. Currently, no harmful apps found, but just in case, let's click on scan and let's manually check if there is something to do. In my case, everything is fine, so let's go back. Just like that. Now into the updates. It's always good to have the latest version of your software, so let's click on the security update first to see if there's something to download. In my case, everything is up to date, so I don't need to download it. Now let's go into the Google Play system update, and in my case I have a possibility to download it. I won't do it now because I have other things to show you, but if you have that possibility, simply download it ASAP. Okay, there's a chance that device will require restarting after you download it. So then simply you can reboot your device. Okay, next thing, we can go into more security settings, and here, for example, we have the security folder, which is also pretty cool. We can create it, click on continue, click on more, click on next. Now our folder is being created. It might take a little bit, so simply be patient and wait until it's finished. So, just like the name says, a secure folder is a place where we can add things that we want to keep away from unwanted people. So, let's select the log type first. I'm going to use the pattern again. Simply draw it. Click on confirm. If you want, you can click on allow. And now also I'll add the fingerprint. Click on continue. Again, we can register our fingerprint in the same method that I have shown you before. So we need to fulfill this scanner. I'm going to do it really fast. Okay, 100%. Click on done. Let's test it. Okay, recognized. Click on next. Now choose what happens when secure folder is locked. We can pick between those two options, so we can close all apps while locked or allow background activity while locked. It's up to you. I'll click on done, and now we have access into our secure folder, and in here we can simply add the things into our folder. To do it, simply click on the plus button and now select the apps that you want to add to it. And thanks to it, we have an extra level of the security. We can also even hide the secure folder and hide our apps. So now we have a list of the hidden apps. If you want, you can add more of them, for example the contacts. Click on done, and now they have been hidden. You can even hide the secure folder by clicking this button right in here. Okay. Also, if you want, you can download some third-party apps from the Play Store that help you with the level of security. For example, the antiviruses apps. Example of the app is the Avast. You can download it from the Play Store, but there are many others. So before downloading, you can always read the reviews, read the comments about the app. You can ask other people what they think about it. You can always read everything in the internet and check it on your own. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.